What's up techies, Fluffy here, and today we have something special. You know how much we love mobile photography here on the channel. We've seen some crazy zoom capabilities over the years, but today we might be looking at the new king. I have here the brand new vivo X300. Vivo is calling this the next Telephoto King. And with the specs on this thing, especially that 200MP ZEISS camera, they might not be joking. We're going to unbox this beauty, see what's inside, and give you my raw, unfiltered first impressions. Is it just hype? Or is this the camera phone to beat in 2025? Let's find out. Alright, let's get into this box. There is nothing quite like the smell of a new flagship in the morning. Inside the box, let's see. We have the usual documentation, a SIM ejector tool, and yes, a charger. A 90-watt FlashCharge brick. In 2025, getting a fast charger in the box is a luxury, folks. And we have a USB-C cable. A case is also included in this review unit. Okay, lifting the lid, and wow, look at that camera module. It is massive. It screams, I mean business. We have the standard X300 here today, but remember, there's also a Pro version, which is even crazier. It feels premium. It's got that sleek, refined look Vivo is known for. It feels solid in the hand, a bit hefty, but balanced. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the giant eye on the back of this phone, the camera. This is where Vivo is putting all its chips. The Vivo X300 series is co-engineered with ZEISS, and they are not messing around. The standard X300 rocks a 200MP ZEISS main camera, 200 megapixels. That is an insane amount of detail. But it's not just about the megapixels, it's about the glass. That ZEISS coating is legendary for reducing glare and ghosting. And for the Pro model, which we'll hopefully get our hands on soon, they have a 200MP super telephoto camera that's basically a telescope in your pocket. They've also included the Pro Imaging Chip BS1. This little chip is dedicated to processing your photos, especially portraits. It works with the main processor to make sure your skin tones look natural, the bokeh is creamy, and the details are sharp. It's like having a mini Jan Mayo inside your phone, editing your shots instantly. Under the hood, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 platform. This is a beast of a chip. It's designed to be powerful but efficient. Navigating the UI feels snappy, apps open instantly, And speaking of efficiency, let's talk battery. The X300 packs a 6040 mAh BlueVolt battery. That's massive for a flagship. Usually, you get around 5000 mAh, but Vivo managed to squeeze in over 6000. The Pro model even goes up to 6510 mAh. Combined with the 90W FlashCharge, you can top this up in no time. And it supports 40W wireless FlashCharge too. So, whether you're wired or wireless, you're getting juice fast. Now, let's turn it on and look at the software. The X300 series debuts with OriginOS 6. It looks cleaner. They've definitely decluttered the design. The animations feel smoother, more fluid, it's responsive. Vivo says they focus on fluency, and I can feel it. It doesn't feel heavy or bloated. It feels like a modern OS should, intuitive and fast. Alright, let's get real. Here is my take. First impressions, the vivo X300 feels like a serious photographer's tool. The build quality is top-notch, and that camera bump is a statement piece. Daily use, the 6040 mAh battery is the sleeper hit here. Having that much capacity means you can actually use the 200MP camera all day without panicking about your battery dying at 4 p.m. That is a huge plus for creators and heavy users. The camera? I took a few test shots around the studio and the detail is incredible. But the real test will be out in the real world. Can it handle low light? How is the stabilization on video? We need to test that. However, the sheer size of the camera module might be polarizing. It's big, it wobbles on a table. You will definitely need a case to flatten that out. And while OriginOS 6 looks nice, I need to see how it handles notifications and background apps over a longer period. But if you are someone who prioritizes camera quality above everything else, this phone demands your attention. It's aiming for the throne, and it brought the big guns. So, is the vivo X300 the new Telephoto King? On paper, it looks like royalty, but we will have to put it through its paces in our full review. The official pricing and launch promos was just revealed, and it starts at 67,990 pesos for the base model and 77,999 pesos for the Pro model, that is excluding the two photography accessories, which is the magnification lens kit at 12,999 pesos and photographer grip kit at 7,999 pesos. What do you guys think? Is 200MP too much or just enough? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our full review where we take this camera to the streets. This has been Fluffy from techbeatph.com, reminding you to capture every moment.